Hello, my name is Candida Jagger with the Fun Times Guide. I'm a first-time mom who loves to share good things as we discover them. And today we want to share our latest fun discovery with you. We recently got into cycling as a way to enjoy the great outdoors together. Our cycling journey has got really exciting when we discovered and acquired a Weehoo Turbo trailer. My son was all over it from the moment we brought it home, and he knew exactly what it was and was completely willing to get in and ride it. First of all, it's an inline open cockpit bike trailer that actually has pedals to keep my son engaged. The fact that it's single-wheeled makes it perfectly balanced and streamlined. Currently, we ride mostly on the greenways around our area, but I love the fact that eventually we can go off-trail with it as our riding style evolves. Pulling the trailer is relatively easy with the single wheel and the self-adjusting hitch. The trailer is super kid-friendly and allows my son to eat snacks, drink a beverage, pedal forward, backwards, or just sit back and coast and enjoy the ride. I love that it has a couple pouches on either side for easy reach for access for my son. The padded seat is completely adjustable to fit the pedals and requires no tools whatsoever. My son can really grow with this trailer as our cycling journey evolves because it is designed to fit kids between the ages of 2 to 9 with a maximum weight limit of 80 pounds. I can thoroughly enjoy the ride knowing that my son is secure in the 3-point safety harness. His feet are secured in the foot straps and the pedals for extra safety. Plus, the chain and drivetrain are completely enclosed, so I don't ever have to worry about skin or clothes getting pinched. The seat also has armrests and a set of hand grips for that extra sense of security and leverage for pedaling. The connector arm also has a guard to deflect dirt, rocks, or any other debris from the rear wheel off of the bike. Storage is a huge deal with kids, so the pair of bags on the back of the seat allow for 14 liters of cargo space, which is the perfect size to pack snacks, beverages, diapers, wipes, and anything else we might need. Okay, I would like to show you just how easy the Weehoo Turbo basically attaches to any bike. The hitch kit comes with these bushings, different sizes. Silas is a good demonstrator. Thank you, honey. Basically, one of these, you'll choose a size depending on the diameter of your seat post. It slides into this metal hitch part, and the bushing, I've already pre-selected the size, and I've already loosened my seat. But you would basically take your seat off, it would slide in just like that and can fit to any size bike. And basically I love this because I can go from solo riding to Weehoo riding in seconds, and I'm going to show you that. But once I tighten my seat, I have the hitch already on there. And then, can I see that, honey? Comes with a quick release pin. And you would attach this connector arm to the hitch, and if your holes are lined up, it's easy just like that. And then I also want to show you this connector arm disconnects from the main frame as well, which is awesome, with another quick release pin just to allow for further breakdown for transportation. I actually wrote an article on the Weehoo trailer, and I've included the article link below. If you found this video helpful, please remember to click the like button, and even better yet, if you click subscribe, you'll be notified when we post our next video. I love to share my discoveries with you, and I'll see you real soon. Thanks for tuning in.